Do you know that those who sell household cleaning stuff are always in money because they are always cashing out? There is no every day that each household does not buy a soap, a detergent, or any other thing to clean or wash in their home. Do you know? So, do you know also that people who also include bleach in their business make a lot of money? This production costs 1,000 naira, and at the end, this 5 liters is sold for as high as 4,500 naira to 5,000 naira. I mean, the profit margin is almost 400%. So stick behind and don't go anywhere. Let me show you how I made this 5 liters of bleach with only 1,000 naira. Welcome back to my channel on Bam Glam DIY. This is Bam Glam. Thank you for not going anywhere. So I told you I'll be teaching you how to make 5 liters of bleach and even more. This I made with just 1,000 naira, and you can even get it cheaper from your store around you, wherever you buy chemicals. So on the screen are the list of the things I use. Soda ash, you can use the dense or the light. It's still the same components, it's just the density is different. This is caustic soda. We'll be needing it to liberate the chlorine that is found in calcium hypochlorite. This is called chlorine local in the market. Just tell them chlorine, but it is actually calcium hypochlorite because chlorine occurs as a gas. It is written as Cl minus. So the company that produces it blends in this chlorine into calcium and then convert it to a powder that is water soluble. So this is the recipe on the screen, and then we are making 5 liters. We need to combine this calcium hypochlorite with some other sources of sodium, which is caustic soda called sodium hydroxide, and then soda ash also called sodium carbonate. It will chemically react to form bleach. The chemical name for bleach is actually sodium hypochlorite. Sorry for boring you with all these terms, but you need to know the basics so that you know what and what you actually need to make your sodium hypochlorite, known as bleach. What is this bleach used for? We use it to wash our white. It clears off stains, top stains on our white, your singlet, on these children's white shorts, their singlets, whatever, their stockings. This is school section. We all need it. It's a high commodity, and it's also a disinfectant. We also use it to purify water in the areas where water is bad. They use it to purify water tanks in water production companies. I hope you know. We use it to clean our house. We use it to mop the tiles. We use it to wash the toilet. There is a type that is called thick bleach. This thick bleach, they make it differently. This is the next video I will upload after this. So just subscribe to my channel if you want to see how to make thick bleach. We'll make thick bleach from this particular bleach we are making. So all you need is to just open all these 3 sachets inside your 5 liters of water according to the quantity I stated in the group, and then stir very well. Calcium hypochlorite, which is the chlorine, it dissolves in water, but it takes a lot of time to dissolve. That is what I'm holding in my hand right now. It is actually very dense and very coarse. So you need to first add in the soda ash and the caustic soda into the water. Make sure it is well dissolved inside the water before you pour in your chlorine, which is calcium hypochlorite. It is actually 70% concentration. That's the one I'm using. So you have to mix it up together, and then you cover it for up to 3 days to dissolve perfectly. Some persons can go as far as 5 days before they even open their own. But note that even as you have saved it in your house, even as you have covered it, you need to make sure that at intervals you go back to it and you stir it. At least 6 hours interval or 5 hours interval. Always stir it. After stirring it, at the end of the 3 days, you have your chlorine bleach, which is sodium hypochlorite, and the white chalk left under is now calcium carbonate, which we also use in making bar soap. This calcium carbonate is a filler. You can actually pour it in a tray, dry it off, and then use it for any other thing you want to do. You can actually don't waste it. Now I would suggest that you get a bucket that has a cover, a lid, and pour in the whole production into it, and then you cover it up. Are you not loving this production? Please give me a thumbs up, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Bam Glam, and this is my channel Bam Glam DIY. Here I teach you how to make household cleaning agents, bar soaps, in fact a lot of things, skincare, hair care. Just stay tuned and don't go anywhere if this is actually what you are interested in. So back to business. We need to cover this for 3 days, but even as you have covered it for 3 days, you need to be checking it at intervals of at least 4 hours or 5 hours interval, to always stir it so that you agitate the mixture a little bit. You need to agitate the solution so that it can dissolve perfectly. So after 24 hours, this is what we have. You can see some of the calcium, the chlorine, which is the calcium hypochlorite, is still at the top of the production. Some have dissolved and turned into chalk underneath. So this is what it looks like 24 hours. Don't rush anywhere. You actually need all these chemicals you need the harshness to actually reduce if you want to get the best from it. And make sure you are using a very clean, clear, transparent bucket. You know it's bleach, so it can easily leach colors. So stir it up. This is the first day, 24 hours after the first day of production. This is what it looks like. So on day 3, this is what we have. Is now more clear than the first day and the second day. So this is what it looks like on the third day. What we need to get now is you get your funnel, you get a white handkerchief or a white cheesecloth, you get a container that is as strong as mine. Please don't use plastic PET can like Coca-Cola bottle or any carbonated drink kind of container. It will explode. It won't work. Make sure the container is very strong. It's better you use something as strong as what I'm using, please. So what you need to do is just to decant and then you filter through, so that you leave the white sediments aside and throw them away while you have your pure bleach inside your container. So watch me and see how I go about this filtration method. After filtering it, I would suggest, if you want to have something that is sparkling clean as water, I would suggest you pour it back into the bucket and keep it for the next 12 hours. So if you actually filtered in the evening time, pour it back into that bucket, you will notice that it is still a little bit cloudy, depending on the tightness of the cheesecloth that you use in filtering it. If it is very tight, it will filter all the dust particle. If it is not tight as mine, you will still have your solution cloudy. You can see it's cloudy now, it's not clear. So we can't work with it this way. You can't sell it, nobody will buy it. They'll tell you, why is this cloudy now? It needs to be clear like water. So just pour it back. You can see how cloudy it is, and let it settle. From now till the next 12 hours, it will settle perfectly. And then when you come out, you just decant it and pour it back into your jerry can. Make sure you use a jerry can. If you are selling it in small quantities, I would suggest you use this kind of container that I will be showing at the end of the screen. So this is a very nice business. You spend just literally 1,000 naira like me to make it, and at the end, for the 5 liters, you can sell 5,000 naira and make 4,000 naira extra on it. Right now, the cost of chemicals are very expensive, so the people around me sell 1 liter for 1,000. Some sell 1 liter for 800, depending on how you want to sell. But it's your own business, and you can make a lot of profit from it.